Suprabhatam teachers and parents. As you all know, this video lesson is not made for kids. ఈరోజు మనం చాప్టర్ 9 అలర్ట్ టుడే అలైవ్ టుమారో యొక్క వర్క్షీట్స్ చేద్దాం. వర్క్షీట్ 1 రీరైట్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ వర్డ్స్. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పష్టంగా పలకండి. ప్రికాషన్స్, సేఫ్టీ మెజర్స్, కేర్లెస్, హరీ, ఓవర్లోడ్. ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. అబ్జర్వ్ దిస్ పిక్చర్. ఈస్ దిస్ ఎ సేఫ్ జర్నీ? It is not a safe journey. What is safe journey? Traveling comfortably and without harm is safe journey. Define safety rules. The measures taken to avoid accidents are known as safety rules. Why do we follow safety rules? We follow safety rules so that we avoid accidents. What are accidents? Unexpected incidents that happen which lead to injuries are called accidents. Worksheet 2. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పీడ్, ఫుట్బోర్డ్, డేంజరస్, యాక్సిడెంట్, measures, blades, scissors, knives, insulation, screwdriver. Observe the pictures and write in the table below. ఈ చిత్రాలను గమనించి కింద పట్టికను పూరించండి. Don'ts. Don't use cell phone while driving. Don't play with fire. Handle sharp knives with care and under adult supervision. Don't use damaged switchboards. Don't travel standing on the footboard of a bus. Don't travel in overloaded autos. Use a life jacket while traveling in a boat. Don't triple ride on a two-wheeler. Answer the following questions. ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. Give some examples of accidents likely to occur at home. Accidents can happen with sharp objects such as needles, scissors, and knives. If we are not careful, accidents could happen with fire and electricity. What safety measures do we follow during household works? During household works, we should be careful with sharp objects such as knives. Handle fire with care and take precautions while using electrical appliances. What are the precautions to be taken while using knife? While using a knife, we have to take the following precautions. Hold only the handle. Use the cutting board and hold the object to be cut firmly. What are the precautions to be taken while using sharp-edged things? While using sharp-edged things, we should not be playful. We should use the tool only for the purpose it is meant for. Worksheet 3. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. Quarrel, railing, stranger, ventilator, sharpener, assembly, laboratory, sincere, disperse, discipline. Observe the pictures. ఈ చిత్రాలను గమనించి ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. What do you see in these pictures? In first picture, children are fighting. In the second picture, children are playing. Which activity do you like in these pictures? Why? I like the second activity because I like playing. What are the dangerous activities done by children? How do we avoid them? Children may sharpen pencils with knife, play with matches, play with switches and light stoves. We can avoid these by listening to parents' instructions. How do we maintain discipline in our school? We can maintain discipline by following a cue while coming into and going out of classroom, during meals, and while going out of school. What are the do's and don'ts that we follow in schools? Do's: throw waste in a bin, follow cue while going to prayer or meals, and dispersing from assembly or class. Don'ts: do not push each other while playing. Do not climb over the fence, walls, and windows. Do not play in bushes, roads, railway tracks, and ponds. Mind map: rules while playing. Follow game rules. Don't push each other. Wear proper dress for playing. Play with game spirit. Drink plenty of water. Worksheet 4. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. Staircase, cleaning, distribution, playing, poster, safety, accident. Answer the following questions. ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానాలు రాయండి. Make posters that show safety measures and display them in your school. Safety measures. Who will design school safety plan? The headmaster and other teachers design school safety plan. What are the safety measures that follow to avoid accidents in schools? Follow cue while going to prayer or meals and dispersing from assembly or class. No quarreling and fighting in school. No jumping on desks. No climbing trees, railings, and walls. Match the following. వీటిని జతపరచండి. Cleaning every day. Constructing staircase. Following the rules while playing. Distribution of midday meal. Worksheet 5. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పష్టంగా పలకండి. Left hand curve, pin bend, traffic rules, pedestrian crossing, accident. Observe the pictures and pick the word given and write them in the space provided. Left hand curve, school ahead, pedestrian crossing, right hairpin bend. Why should we be aware of the traffic rules? We should be aware of traffic rules to avoid accidents. How does an accident occur? An accident happens when one is not careful. Put the tick mark for the rule we follow on roads. Cross for others. మనం రోడ్డుపై పాటించే నియమాలకు టిక్కు, మిగతా వాటికి క్రాస్ పెట్టండి. టిక్ క్రాస్ టిక్, క్రాస్ టిక్ టిక్, క్రాస్ టిక్ క్రాస్. Worksheet 6. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పష్టంగా పలకండి. ప్రివెంట్, స్విమ్, జీబ్రా, కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్, హెల్మెట్, సూట్. ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు సమాధానాలు రాయండి. వాట్ ఆర్ ద రీజన్స్ ఫర్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్? Negligence and being careless are the reasons for accidents. What should we do to prevent road accidents? We should follow traffic rules and transport department rules to avoid road accidents. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. సరైన పదాలతో ఈ ఖాళీలను పూరించండి. You must cross the road at a zebra crossing. We must wear a helmet while driving motorbikes. While traveling on boats, we must wear life jacket. We have to follow safety rules to avoid accidents. Carbon dioxide is used to avoid fire accidents. Worksheet 7. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. Hazard, tsunami, swimming, extinguish, frequent, equipment. Mind mapping. Write words related to water hazards. Tsunami, floods, rough sea, unsafe swimming. What are the safety measures to be taken while swimming? Safety measures to be taken while swimming. Go for swimming only with adults who know swimming. Learn swimming from trainers. Swim with proper guidance. Should not go into deep waters. Have you ever heard the news about boat accidents? How do they happen? Yes, I have heard of boat accidents. Boat accidents happen when proper precautions are not taken and when boats are overloaded. What are the safety measures to be taken while traveling in a boat? One should wear a life jacket, not to move unnecessarily, and follow the instructions of the boat operator. Worksheet 8. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. Injure, treatment, soap, antiseptic lotion, tincture iodine. First aid. Victims, cream, plaster, bandage. Name the things kept in the first aid box. The first aid box consists of cotton, tincture iodine, ointment, medicated plaster, scissors, bandage cloth, antiseptic cream, petroleum jelly, soap, and a thermometer. Answer the following questions. ఈ ప్రశ్నలకు జవాబులు రాయండి. What is first aid? First aid is the immediate treatment given to someone who is injured or falls ill. What is the benefit of first aid? First aid is important for victims to reduce their suffering and save life. What do you do when you are injured while playing? I will wash the wound with clean water and soap, apply antiseptic lotion, and then seek medical help. What type of first aid is to be rendered to the victims of accidents? Tying of bandages to the victims and calling 104 services. Worksheet 9. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పష్టంగా పలకండి. Burn, ointment, wound, poisonous, unconscious, pain, swallow, stomach, breathing, cool compress. Match the following. వీటిని జతపరచండి. When hands burn, cool running water. Injured while playing, use turmeric powder. Something falls into the ice, clean with water. In first aid box, we get iodine. While traveling in water, life jackets. Match the first aid with different types of injuries. Snake bite. Tie with cloth or rope above the bitten body. Dog bite. Use antiseptic lotion. First aid to burn. Cold running water. Scorpion bite. Clean with mild soap. Apply cold compress. Drowning in water. Do mouth to mouth breathing. Answer the following questions. వీటికి జవాబులు రాయండి. Draw the symbol of first aid. List out the items present in the first aid box. The first aid box consists of cotton, tincture iodine, ointment, medicated plaster, scissors, bandage cloth, antiseptic cream, petroleum jelly, soap, and a thermometer. What kind of first aid do you do to a person drowned in water? Remove the victim from water. Press stomach to bring water out and do CRP. Worksheet 10. Rewrite the following words. ఈ పదాలను చూసి రాయండి. స్పష్టంగా పలకండి. ఎమర్జెన్సీ, మెడికల్, రిమోట్, ఇమీడియట్, డిజాస్టర్, ఎర్త్క్వేక్, cyclone, heavy rain, strong wind, thunders. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. In a social emergency, we may dial 100 number to get help from the police. PHC helps giving advices on health to the people who live in remote villages. In a medical emergency, we may dial the number 104 for rescue. One example for natural disaster, tsunami. Disaster management is an organization working on humanitarian aspects of emergencies. Mention the services extended by 108, 104, and 100 to your village. 104 is a 24-hour emergency response service for medical help. 100 is for police assistance. 108 is a free emergency service providing integrated medical, police, and fire emergency services. Choose the correct answer. సరైన సమాధానాన్ని ఎంచుకోండి. We must use cold compress for scorpion bites. Do not play with matchsticks. It may cause fire accidents. When somebody is knocked down in an accident, we have to dial 108. Obey the traffic rules. Wear a helmet when you ride scooty or bike. We must walk on the right side of the road. Traveling in a loaded auto is dangerous. There must be first aid box in every school. Worksheet 11. Why should we take safety measures? We have to follow the safety measures to avoid accidents. What is first aid and when is it needed? The immediate treatment given to a victim before moving to a hospital is called first aid. Aparna's grandfather was bitten by a snake. What kind of first aid is suggested to him? The following first aid should be given to Aparna's grandfather. Do's. Take a note of the appearance of the snake to inform medical staff. Keep the person calm and at rest. Remain as still as possible to keep venom from spreading. Cover the wound with loose sterile bandage. Take the victim to a medical facility immediately. Do not. Do not cut a bite wound. Attempt to suck out venom. What questions would you ask to know more about 108 services? I will ask the following questions. What is 108 service? What emergency services will be provided by 108? How much time will 108 take to reach the victim? Is 108 service free? Visit an accident spot which is nearby. Find the causes of accident and record your observations. This morning, while coming to school, I saw an accident. At the crossroads, a man who was riding a motorbike met with an accident. While trying to overtake another bike, he skid and fell down. He was not wearing helmet, so there were injuries on his legs, hands, and head. The tires of his bike were worn out, so he could not get a proper grip on the road. Discuss the precautions to be taken while using fireworks. Purchase fireworks from authorized, reputable sellers. Follow the instructions provided on the fireworks packaging. Supervise children while using fireworks. Light fireworks in an open outdoor area, away from flammable materials, buildings, and people. Keep a bucket of water, a hose, or a fire extinguisher nearby for emergencies. Maintain a safe distance after lighting fireworks and never lean over them. Do not attempt to relight a dead firework. Wait for it to cool down and then dispose of it properly. Dispose of used fireworks safely and responsibly. Draw a mind map showing precautions we take while traveling on a bus. Board the bus in a queue. Do not stand on footboard. Sit in your seat. Do not put your hands or head out of the window. How do you appreciate the services of 108 and 104? Free ambulance services are a great help during emergencies. saving many lives. They provide quick medical support without charging money, helping even those who can't afford it. The staff working in these ambulances are kind and work hard under tough conditions. These services make people feel safe and cared for in times of need.